So today I am going to start the exercise 6.1. In the previous video I had explained about the certain definition regarding square and perfect square number and some properties of the perfect square numbers. So today here I am going to start exercise 6.1. Here I have written the question number 1. What will be the unit digit of the square of the following numbers? So in the previous video also I had explained that how to find the unit digit of a number which is the square of any number. So again I am going to explain it. First you need to write all the numbers in the table format like this. Whatever I had written, I had drawn that table. According to that you will write all the numbers. In the first column you will write numbers, whatever the numbers given in the book, and here unit digit of the square of the number. So I will give the unit digit of the certain numbers, rest of others, whatever the numbers I am going to leave, that you need to do as a homework. So I had explained that if it is asked that what will be the unit digit of the square of 81. So you are not supposed to find the square of 81, only you need to take the unit digit. What is the unit digit? 1. So you can do that work in the rough also. 1 square, what is the unit digit? 1, and find the square of the unit digit. 1 square equal to 1. So here you are going to get 1 in the square of 1. So what will be the unit digit of that numbers square? That will be 1. In the same way 272, here 2. So you can find 799 is there. So what is the unit digit here? 9. Then 9. Then find the square of the unit digit here. 9 square equal to 81. And here what is the unit digit in the 81? 1. So unit digit will be here 1. In the same way, if I am going to find that 7th, here 52698, what is the unit digit here? 8. Then find the square of 8, that is equal to 64. And what is the unit digit here? 4. In the square of 8, 4 is there. So its unit digit will be also 4. Here 0 is there. What is the unit digit here? 0. Then find the 0 square. 0 square will be 0. So what will be the unit digit here? 0. In the same way, you need to complete that table. So make this table, and that work you can do in the rough, and you need to only write the unit digit of the square of that number. So you need to complete that question. Now students, here it is the question number 2. The following numbers are obviously not perfect square, give the reason. Here certain numbers are given and you need to give the reason that why these numbers are not perfect square numbers. So in the previous video I had explained that what are the perfect square number. So, and I had also explained the certain properties of the perfect square number. There I had given one property: a perfect square number never ends with 2, 3, 7, 8 या odd number of zeros. So here the number is 1057. This number is going to end with 7. And whatever the property I had given, according to that, a number if end with 2, 3, 7 या 8, that will not be a perfect square number. So here it is end with 7, yeah, unit place is 7. So that's why it is not a perfect square number. So I am going to give the reason for the certain numbers. The rest of the for rest of the numbers you will give the reason by yourself. So here you will write reason 1057 ends with 7. A number which ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8, that will not be a perfect square number. Again, this number ends with 3, so that's why this number ends with 8. Yeah, you can write the number having the unit digit 8, that's why it is not a perfect square. Its unit digit is 2, yeah, ends with 2, that is not a perfect square. Here 3 0 are there, so I had given one more property: a number ends with odd number of 0. So how many 0 are there in the end? 1, 2, 3. So 3, it means odd number of 0 are there. So you can write 64000 ends with odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros means if 1 0 is there, 3 0 is there, 5 0 are there. So that numbers will not be the perfect square number. Again you can complete that table. Here the region will be end with 2. Here 3 0 are there, it means odd number of 0. Here you can get the 1 0 is there in the end. So that is again odd number of 0. So you need to complete that table. That is the very simple question. It will follow the property of the perfect square number. So that you can complete. Now students, here I have written the question number 3rd and 4th. In the question number 3rd, it is asked that the square of which, that should be which, I have written here with, so that will be the which. So here it is. The squares of which of the following would be odd numbers. So again, in the previous video I had explained that the square of odd number is always odd and the square of even number is even. So the square of 431 is the odd, so its square will be odd. This number is even, here it is the 6, so its square will be even, it will not be the odd. Here it is the unit place is 9, so it is the odd number, so its square will be odd, and here it is the even number, so its square will be even number. So it is the very simple question. You can write that the square of 431 and the square of 7779 will be the odd. So that is the very simple question. You can write it. Question number 4, a pattern is given. Observe the following pattern and find the missing digit. Here you can find 11 square. All of you know that it is equal to 121. Now if you are going to find the 101 square, you will get 10201. Here you are going to get 121, 121, 121 is there, and if 10 is there, so there is the 0 between here, 10 is here and 10 is here. If 1001 square is there, 20 is there, so here it is 20, here it is 20. So that is going to follow a pattern. So here it is asked that what will be the square of this. So here 40 is there, so here it will be 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So it is its square will be that number. It is going to follow a pattern. What will be the square of this? So how many 0 are there? 2 to 4 to 6 0 are there. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 are there. Then you will write 2, again 6 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then 1. So that is called the pattern. If you are going to find the square of this number, you will get this number only. So but it is going to follow a pattern. So by this pattern you can find the square of this type of number easily. So that's why it is called a pattern. Now here it is again pattern related question is there. Question number 5. Observe the following pattern and supply the missing numbers. So here first you need to follow the pattern. First find that what the pattern is going to be followed here. 11 square, all of you know that 121. Now 101 square, that is 10201. If you are going to find the square, it will be this. Now 10101. Now here students, here it is 11. How many digits? Ones are there. Follow that 2 1 are there. So 1 2 1. Here 101 square. How many 1 are there? 1 2 1 is there and 1 0 is there. So that will be 1 2 1 and there is 0 0. 2 1 is there. So 1 2 1. Now 1 2 3 0 is there. 3 1 is there. 1 2 3. Then 1 2 3 2 1. If 3 1 is there, it is going to follow the same pattern. Here 11. There is no any 0, so here it is no any 0. Here 2 1 is there, 1 0 is there, so 1 2 1 and there is 1 1 0. Here 1 2 3 1 is there and 1 1 0 is there, so 1 2 3 2 1 and here 0 0 will be filled. Now here how many 1 is there? 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. Again you will reduce the number by 1 1. 3 2 1. 1 2 3 4. So you will go up to 4, then again you will reduce the number 3 to 1 and you will fill 1 1 0 like this. So it is the square of that number. Now here it is 1 2 that number is given and you need to find that it is the square of which number. So here the highest number is 5. 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 5, then 0 4 0 3 0 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. It means how many ones will be there in that pattern? There will be the 5 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 1 will be there and you need to fill that 0. So it will be the square of that number. So it is the pattern which is going to be followed.